Did you know that the rainforest is home to over half the Earth's plants and animal species, but only covers 6% of the Earth's surface? Found on every continent except Antarctica, rainforests are ecosystems filled with canopy trees that typically receive high amounts of rainfall. Tropical rainforests located near the equator experience high temperatures and humidity, while temperate rainforests primarily found in mountainous areas and within mid-latitudes. Rainforests partly self-water and create thick cloud coverings through transpiration, releasing moisture into the atmosphere, keeping the rainforest humid even when it doesn't rain. Rainforests are often called the lung of the earth because they produce a significant amount of the world's oxygen and are home to an incredible diversity of plant and animal species. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, an estimated 10 million hectares of forest are lost each year primarily due to human activities. In a few minutes, we'll explore the causes and consequences of rainforest deforestation and discuss what we must do to take action to protect these invaluable resources. To begin, let's examine the causes of rainforest deforestation. One of the primary drivers is agriculture, particularly the demand for beef and palm oil. In countries like Brazil and Indonesia, vast areas of rainforest are being cleared each year to create pastures for cattle or to cultivate land for palm oil plantations. This not only destroys the forest itself but leads to soil degradation and increased greenhouse emissions. In addition to agriculture, logging plays a huge part in rainforest deforestation. Both legal and illegal logging operations are rampant as timber is harvested for construction and paper products. This illegal logging further magnifies the problem by undermining efforts to manage forests responsibly. Transitioning to another key factor, urbanization. Urbanization also contributes to this crisis. As population grows, the need for land for housing infrastructure leads to the clearing of the forested areas. These interconnected factors create a vicious cycle, pushing rainforest ecosystems closer to irreversible damage. Now that we've explored the causes, let's turn our attention to the consequences of rainforest deforestation. One of the most alarming effects is the loss of biodiversity. Rainforests are home to more than half of the world's plant and animal species, many of which are not even found anywhere else in the world. As deforestation continues, we risk losing countless species before they are even discovered, disrupting ecosystems and diminishing genetic diversity. Moreover, deforestation contributes significantly to climate change. Trees act as a carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When forests are cut down, not only is this carbon storage capacity lost, but the carbon stored in trees is released back into the atmosphere, increasing global warming. Additionally, we cannot overlook the profound effects of indigenous communities. Many of these communities rely on the forest for their livelihood, culture, and identity. As their homes are destroyed, they face displacement and the loss of the traditional of their way, leading to social and economic challenges. Having discussed the causes and consequences, let's now explore potential solutions to rainforest deforestation. One effective approach is promoting sustainable agriculture. By supporting practices such as agroforestry, which integrate trees and shrubs into farming systems, we can help maintain biodiversity while still producing food. Additionally, certification programs like Rainforest Alliance and the Fair Trade Act encourage sustainable practices among producers, making it easier for consumers to choose products that protect the environment. Another solution is enforcing stricter regulation on logging. Governments can implement policies that promote sustainable logging practices and penalize illegal activities. International cooperation is crucial here. Organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, work to ensure the forests are managed responsibly, offering consumers a way to support sustainable timber products. Finally, raising public awareness is vital. Educational campaigns can inform individuals about the impact of their choices and encourage them to support conservation efforts, both financially and through responsible consumption. In reviewing what we've covered today, we see how agricultural expansion, logging, and urbanization drive the alarming rates of rainforest deforestation. We also explored the dire consequences of this crisis, including the loss of biodiversity, contribution to climate change, and the impact of indigenous communities. It's clear that the consequences of deforestation extend far beyond the trees. They affect our entire planet and the population. Now you might be wondering, what can I do about this issue? How can I help the rainforest? The truth is, individual activities have a profound impact. By making informed choices, such as reducing meat consumption and supporting sustainable products or participating in conservation efforts, you can contribute to the protection of these vital ecosystems. Remember, our collective efforts can drive change. Each time you make a conscious decision, remember what you buy or how you live. You are participating in a global movement towards sustainability and preservation. We all share a responsibility to protect our planet for the future generations, and it starts with small, everyday actions. In conclusion, rainforest deforestation is a multi-phase issue driven by agricultural expansion, logging, and urbanization, with dire consequences for biodiversity, climate stability, and indigenous cultures. As stewards of the planet, it is our responsibility to advocate for these practices, support conservation efforts, and to raise awareness around us about the importance of preserving our rainforests today. Each of us can play a huge role, whether it's making conscious choices about the products we consume or supporting organizations that work to protect these vital ecosystems. Together, we can help ensure the future generations inherit a healthy, thriving planet. Thank you.